Birds on a power line. There's birds on the power line. Bilbo has to protect them with birds on the power line. Birds on the power line. They have to get the birds off the power line. The birds sit on the power line. There are birds. Bilbo has to use a net to relocate the birds into the woods because they don't want birds on the power line because of power outages in the neighborhood. Birds on the power line. There's birds. There's birds on the power line. They have to take care of the birds. There's birds on the power line. Bilbo is taking care of the birds. He's relocating them. He's giving a net to relocate them. They put a bird. They put a protection, safety protection around the transformer power line so the bird doesn't get shot. Because the bird gets shot, step, and then the birds fall off the power line. You get hurt or die. You get killed from the power line. A bird sitting on the power line. A bird sitting on the power line. Bilbo and Bucktooth have to get the birds off. Come here, you blimpos. Get over here. They try to catch the birds. You done blimpos. Birds on the power line. They have to get them off. They have to restore the power. A bird is on a power line. Birds are sitting on the power line. They're on the power line chirping. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Birds on the power line. They're chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. Birds on the power line. There are birds on the power line. They're chirping. Birds on the power line. They're sitting on the power line. They go to the wooded area. They relocate them to the wooded area. Birds on the power line. There are birds on the power line.